The Harmony Audio HA-A1500.1 Subwoofer Amplifier impressively delivers up to 3,000 watts of peak power, ensuring a dynamic and robust bass experience in your car audio system. Its one-ohm stable design provides flexibility in subwoofer wiring, allowing for optimal connections and maximizing power output for an immersive sound experience. Featuring smart power control, this amplifier offers convenient options for controlling power via DC voltage offset or a traditional 12-volt switched remote, enhancing ease of use. An innovative daisy chain feature allows you to connect a second Harmony amplifier or accessory, expanding your audio setup and providing additional control capabilities for a comprehensive audio experience. The included remote bass control offers easy bass adjustments from the driver's seat with a 0 to 12 decibel boost range and a clear LED status light for quick visual feedback. Harmony Audio's HA-A1500.1 model combines power, versatility, and user-friendly features, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their car's audio system.